Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving question number 7 of paper 2-1 October-November exam series of 2020, and the topic of this question is nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a reaction that occurs in the sun and other stars. Explain what is meant by nuclear fusion. So nuclear fusion is a process in which smaller nuclei join together releasing large amounts of energy. This process is called nuclear fusion. Describe the nuclear fusion reaction that takes place in the sun. So in the sun, two hydrogens join to form helium, and again huge amounts of energy is released. A star forms when the temperature of a large cloud of gas in space increases as the cloud collapses inwards. State the energy transfers that occur as the cloud collapses. So initially we have huge gravitational attraction, which is gravitational potential energy, which attracts the particles of dust and gas together and they collapse. So gravitational potential energy is converted to kinetic energy of the particles, and they start moving towards each other during the collapsing process, and then this kinetic energy is converted to internal energy during the collapse. The next part says the temperature increase starts a nuclear fusion reaction. Explain why the temperature of the star eventually reaches a steady value. Here the energy is emitted by electromagnetic radiations, and this energy loss is equal to the energy from fusion reactions. So whatever the energy is given out is produced by the fusion reactions again. That is why the temperature reaches a steady value in this process. So the question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.